All right, welcome back, mates. Crypto Lovers Trading Group, 11:30 Eastern Standard Time in the U.S. What's going on? What's happening out in the cryptoverse? Well, I can tell you what's happening is Bitcoin just sent an all-time high. We called it. We said it was going to happen. The metrics all said it was going to happen. You know, everybody that's worth following from an on-chain analyst perspective has called this move. They called this move in August, mates. August. In the face of the naysayers, in the face of people telling them they're wrong, whether it's Willy Woo, whether it's Plan B, okay, whether it's Chart BTC, whatever it is, whoever it is, okay, I suggest you follow them all because these guys are right. They've been right all year long. It's not about FUD. It's about metrics. It's about on-chain activity. It's about exchange flows, okay? That's all it is, mates. And we're on FEMX right now, one of the other exchanges we like to use. It's gaining a little bit of popularity, I hear, with some other groups, by the way. Where you been for the last year and a half? Frank, where you been, buddy? FEMX has been around forever. We've been trading on FEMX forever as a backup exchange. Welcome to the party. Glad you finally got here, Frank. All right. All humor aside. Glad you're here, Frank. Seriously. And I'm sure the FEMX people will love to have your traders on FEMX as well. Because you can't have MargX have all the party, can you? Can you? Got to take that dip dab into more commissions. I know. I get it. But, so we're talking FEMX. Let's open up the Bitcoin. Enough of the crap. Let's open up the Bitcoin chart here on FEMX and take a look at what we're looking at today. Look at that number. 80 RSI. What's happened the last couple times we've gotten to 80 RSI, mates? Well, sell down. Whoop. Sell down. Whoop. Sell down. So, what does that tell you? Okay, in the last month, Bitcoin has not topped 80, except back here early on. It got above 80 for a little bit. Okay, so what are we going to see here? What we're going to see here is we're going to see a move, most likely above 80, because we're going to get FOMO here. Look at this nice little wick right there. Didn't sustain it, but that tells you, okay, 66,800 has a little resistance area there. That's really nice to know. You got an MACD across back here, prompted to move up, and look what we're having. We're still sitting right here at 80. Okay, so what really is your plan of attack has got to be the fact that you know that the RSI sitting at 80 is an overbought scenario. This is when you're going to look to exit and take profit. This is when the technical analytic traders are going to look to exit and take profit. They will wait, of course, for the next candle set here in the next 4 hours to kind of see if we can get a little bit more push to 85, okay? But I'm telling you right now, you are going to see a reversal, and that reversal may only take us back down to here, mates, in the mid-60s. And that's fine. That's what you want. If you looked at Ethereum 2 hours ago, it had an RSI of about 62. Okay? That's reasonable for Ethereum. She got some juice to run, mates. She easily is going to cross 4,000 here if this momentum sustains into the weekend. Take it to the bank. Okay, I'm telling you right now, because 65 is an average RSI for Ethereum. That's not overbought. Okay, she's got another 20 basis points in her RSI levels. Remember, chart these levels, right? You can chart RSI the same way you chart the price activity of an underlying asset to show you your peaks and your valleys. The low here, 42, 43, back on October 13th. The high, back up here, okay? Around 90, back on the 6th of October. Okay, there's your range. And then 60 sits right in the middle. But look here, recently, you're not falling below 60, okay? So there's your baseline of support right there on the RSI. Treat it just like you do your chart. I'm telling you, it is a hidden gem that most people do not utilize and should on leverage trading to make money to determine entries and exits. So if you were to get out here at 85, sell, buy a sell down, then get out of your sell down at 65, okay? And then turn it back up, quick reverse trade, okay? And play the move back up to 80. That inevitably is the pattern that we are going to see coming up in Bitcoin. It's going to be a reversal pattern. It's going to be a profit-taking pattern. There's nothing wrong with that. Take your profits. Buy a sell down. Let the market kind of like take a little breather for a little while. Fall back down below 70, right? Sell your sell down, then buy